I talked to a mechanic who's been working on F-150s for 28 years. He told me something that completely changed my view on durability. There are 3 specific F-150 years that reach 600,000 miles easily. It's not rare, it's not luck, it's simply what these years do. Subscribe now. You'll want to save these 3 years. If you have one, you have a machine. 28 years fixing F-150s. He's seen tens of thousands pass through the shop. And these 3 years, 600,000 miles is normal, not exception. First year that reaches 600,000 easily, 2001 with 4.6-liter Triton V8. 2001 4.6? I have 5 clients right now running over 600,000 miles. Original engine, original transmission. They get there effortlessly. Why 2001? It was the perfect Triton year. Ford had refined the engine for years. 0 spark plug problems that came later in 2004. 0 timing chain issues. Simple design that just worked. Owners report, my 2001 is at 630,000 miles. Engine never opened, just basic maintenance. Oil every 5,000, it'll easily hit 700,000. Want F-150 that reaches 600,000? 2001 4.6, obvious choice. Second year that reaches 600,000 easily, 2011 with 5.0 Coyote V8. 2011 first generation Coyote? This engine was built to last. I'm seeing the first ones hitting 500,000, 600,000 now, and they still accelerate like new. 2011 was a revolutionary year. Ford launched the modern Coyote, robust engine from day one, advanced technology with old-school reliability. Result? Engine combining modern power with legendary durability. Owners say, my 2011 has 480,000 miles, on track to 600,000, no doubt. 0 engine problems so far. Want modern tech that reaches 600,000? 2011 Coyote, legendary engine. Like this video if you're discovering F-150 years that truly reach extreme distances. Third year that reaches 600,000 easily, 2015 with 3.5-liter twin-turbo EcoBoost. 2015 second generation 3.5? Many doubt turbos, but these early ones are hitting 300,000, 400,000, on track to 600,000 no problems. 2015 was the year EcoBoost matured. Ford had 4 years of learning, fixed first-generation problems, more durable turbos, improved cooling. Owners who tow heavy constantly report, my 2015 tows every weekend, 350,000 miles now. Turbos perfect, engine perfect, will hit 600,000 easily. Want turbo power that reaches 600,000? 2015 3.5, proven durability. These are the 3 years that reach 600,000 miles easily. 2001 Triton, 2011 Coyote, 2015 EcoBoost. 28 years experience confirms these engines don't just reach 600,000, many exceed it, 700,000, 800,000, and keep running. If you have one of these 3, you have a machine built for extreme distance. Maintain religiously, it'll serve you decades. Looking for used F-150 that hits 600,000? These 3 years are your answer. Which do you have? How many miles now? On track to 600,000? Comment. Subscribe because every week I bring analysis about F-150s that reach distances you can't imagine. Next video, the signs showing your F-150 will hit 500,000. Like if this video revealed years you didn't know. See you next.